What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a gaming walkthrough, walking you through the first 5 levels on Cut the Rope inside of the cardboard box. These are the first few levels inside of the game, and it is very important that you have these down if you don't already. So we're on the first level here, and it's pretty self-explanatory as it's kind of just a tutorial level. You see the candy is hanging above all 3 stars, and it's in line. And that's pretty much all you have to do in order to get the 3-star on this level, is just make a swift cut. There is really no way that you could mess this up. So there you go. You could see that I got 3-star now, got the excellent, and we are going to move on to the next level. On to level 2, already pretty simple. You just try to get the velocity down. You cut the ropes from left to right, so cut the left one, the middle one, and then the one all the way on the right, and then you should be good. Just make sure that you get the momentum with the candy. For this one, you're going to end up cutting the rope in the top right there, letting it swing to get the star all the way at the top, and then swing once more time so that you could get the star to the right of that, and then you will have the 3-star as it glides into Omnom. Moving on to level 3 here, first cut you're going to make is the top string at the top there, then the one on the right, letting it slide and get the star, and then finally the one at the bottom swings to get the star, and then eventually swings into Omnom's mouth. We are finally on the 5th level here, the last of this episode, and this is testing out the bubble of this, which you are going to see quite often. So what you're going to do is cut the top rope and let it get inside of the bubble and let it travel all the way to the top until it is parallel with the bottom star as well as Omnom at the bottom, and then you can just slice it and it will run and get the star and fall into his mouth. And that is it for my walkthrough of levels 1 through 5 on Cardboard Box for Cut the Rope. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do any of the levels on this, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you needed any walkthrough for any other levels on Cut the Rope, just check the description down below. I'll be linking a playlist and I have walkthrough of every single level, and if it's not there yet, I am going to get to it. If you did enjoy this video though and found it helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.